I wore my shirt inside out. I wore my shirt inside out. I wore 2 different socks. I wore 2 different socks. I spilled toothpaste on my shirt. I spilled toothpaste on my shirt. I laughed at the wrong time. I laughed at the wrong time. I said the wrong word. I said the wrong word. I waved at the wrong person. I waved at the wrong person. I called her by the wrong name. I called her by the wrong name. I forgot his name. I forgot his name. I interrupted someone. I interrupted someone. I said something awkward. I said something awkward. I tripped in front of my friends. I tripped in front of my friends. I dropped my phone in public. I dropped my phone in public. I sent the message to the wrong person. I sent the message to the wrong person. I laughed before the joke ended. I laughed before the joke ended. I came in late. I came in late. I sat in the wrong seat. I sat in the wrong seat. I forgot my homework. I forgot my homework. I gave the wrong answer. I gave the wrong answer. I spoke when it was quiet. I spoke when it was quiet. My phone rang in class. My phone rang in class. I got on the wrong bus. I got on the wrong bus. I got off at the wrong stop. I got off at the wrong stop. I walked into the wrong room. I walked into the wrong room. I pushed a pull door. I pushed a pull door. I dropped my shopping bag. I dropped my shopping bag. I got lost in the mall. I got lost in the mall. I spilled my drink outside. I spilled my drink outside. I bumped into someone. I bumped into someone. I smiled at the wrong person. I smiled at the wrong person. I thought you were someone else. I thought you were someone else. I forgot what I wanted to say. I forgot what I wanted to say. I started talking too early. I started talking too early. I sang the wrong lyrics. I sang the wrong lyrics. I waved back by mistake. I waved back by mistake. I made a silly mistake. I made a silly mistake.
Which sentence do you like best? Repeat again and speak with me. Subscribe for more daily English.